Are you ready to make your dreams a reality? One powerful tool to help you do just that is a vision board. In this video, we'll guide you through the 8-step process of creating and using a vision board to manifest your dreams. Have you created and used a vision board before? Let us know your experience in the comments. Step 1. Set your intentions. Take a moment to meditate, close your eyes, take deep breaths, and clear your head. Think about what you truly desire in life, can be short, medium, or long-term goals, or a mix of all of them. Is it a successful career, loving relationships, adorable dog, or fitness and good health? Take time to reflect on these goals and write them down. Step 2. Gather your materials. If you want a physical and crafty board, suggest a large poster board or corkboard, magazines, scissors, glue, and markers. Alternatively, you can create a digital vision board that can then be used as a background or screensaver on your phone and computer for the constant reaffirmation. Step 3. Visualize your dreams. Begin by closing your eyes and picturing what it feels like to achieve your goals. What does success and happiness look like? How does it make you feel? This step is crucial as it helps you connect emotionally with your desires. Step 4. Start creating your vision board. Cut out images and words that align with your dreams from the magazines, items you printed or drew yourself. Arrange them on your board in an artistic and meaningful way. The most important thing is to choose images and words that strongly resonate with your goals and dreams. Step 5. Display your vision board prominently. Place it in a location where you'll see it every day, suggest at the end or the top of your bed, so you see it first thing when you wake up. Or if it's digital, put as a background on your phone or screensaver on your computer like mentioned. This constant reminder will keep you focused on your goals and motivate you to act. Step 6. Take inspired action. Your vision board alone won't magically bring your dreams to life. It's essential to take steps towards your goals. Make a plan and commit to making progress every day on your future desires and priorities. Step 7. Believe in yourself. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Have faith in your abilities and stay positive. Manifesting your dreams is possible when you truly believe in them. Step 8. Remember that manifesting your dreams is a journey, not a one-time event. Continue to update and adjust your vision board as your goals change and evolve. There you have it, the secrets to manifesting and achieving your future success and happiness, with mindfulness and positivity through vision boards. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and comment about your experience with vision boards, we'd love to hear. See you next time.